For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a handyman business can be a practical and rewarding venture for individuals skilled in repairs, maintenance, and home improvement. With the help of free AI tools, launching this business becomes more efficient and accessible. This guide walks you through a step-by-step process using AI to streamline everything from planning to promotion. Step 1. Define your services and target market. The first step is to decide what type of handyman services you will offer. These may include plumbing repairs, painting, furniture assembly, drywall installation, or basic electrical work. Narrowing down your services will help you target the right audience. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and define your niche by entering a prompt like, "ChatGPT, help me create a list of popular and profitable handyman services for residential and small commercial customers in your city." This will give you clarity and allow you to specialize in areas with strong demand and limited competition. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A well-written business plan is crucial for outlining your goals, estimating costs, and identifying your growth strategy. Free AI tools like ChatGPT can generate a complete business plan with just one prompt. Try ChatGPT. Write a detailed business plan for a handyman business operating in location, focusing on services such as list your services, targeting homeowners and small businesses. Include sections like executive summary, market analysis, pricing strategy, operations, and financial projections. Review and customize the AI-generated content to reflect your unique approach and local context. Step 3. Choose a business name and register it. Selecting a catchy and relevant business name helps you stand out. Use a free AI business name generator like Namelix. Input keywords such as handyman, home repair, or your service specialty. After choosing a name, verify its availability through your local government or small business portal and register it accordingly. Step 4. Design a free logo and branding assets with AI. Visual branding is important for professionalism. Use Canva's free AI-powered logo maker to design a logo. Canva also includes AI-generated templates for business cards, flyers, and social media posts. Prompt idea for Canva AI tools. I want a handyman logo that includes tools, a house icon, and uses blue and gray colors. It should look trustworthy and modern. Step 5. Set your pricing using AI for market research. To determine competitive pricing, use ChatGPT to gather market data and analyze local competitors. You can prompt, ChatGPT, what are the average hourly and flat rate charges for common handyman services like plumbing, drywall repair, and painting in your city? This data will help you set prices that are both competitive and profitable. You can also ask for pricing strategies, such as tiered pricing or bundling services. Step 6. Get licenses, permits, and insurance. AI tools can guide you through the legal side. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. ChatGPT, what business licenses, permits, and insurance are typically required to operate a handyman business in state/city? It's also helpful to visit your local government website for official details. For small handyman jobs, licensing requirements may be minimal, but always check to stay compliant. Step 7. Build an AI-assisted website. Your website is your online business card. Use Wix or WordPress, both of which offer free plans and AI-based website builders. Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, asks a few questions and then builds a customized website automatically. Include essential pages such as home, services, about, and contact. A good prompt to use with ChatGPT while preparing your web content is, ChatGPT, write SEO-optimized homepage content for a handyman business offering. List your services in location, targeting homeowners and small business owners. Step 8. Create an AI-generated marketing plan. Promotion is key to getting your first clients. Ask ChatGPT for a marketing strategy using this prompt. ChatGPT, Create a 3-month marketing plan for a new handyman business with a low budget, including digital strategies, local advertising, social media, and referral programs. The AI will break down methods, such as creating a Google business profile, using neighborhood apps like Nextdoor, posting on Facebook Marketplace, and optimizing local SEO. Step 9. Design marketing materials with AI. Use Canva to design flyers, social media posts, and business cards. You can combine ChatGPT and Canva by generating text first with a prompt like, ChatGPT, write compelling flyer text to advertise a handyman business and location offering services with a call to action and contact information. Paste that content into Canva's flyer templates, and you'll have professional materials in minutes. Step 10. Leverage AI for customer communications. Once you begin receiving inquiries, maintain professional communication using free AI-powered tools like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini. Use these tools to write email templates, estimates, and job follow-ups. Try this prompt. ChatGPT, write a polite and professional follow-up email for a handyman job estimate that was sent 3 days ago. Include a friendly reminder and offer to answer questions. Step 11. Offer booking with AI automation. Use a free scheduling tool like Calendly, which can integrate with your website or Google Calendar. This allows clients to book appointments online without needing to call. For added functionality, you can use Zapier's free tier to automate actions like sending confirmations or reminders. Step 12. Ask for reviews and referrals with AI help. Social proof is vital. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews on Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Use ChatGPT to write a short message you can send via text or email after a job. For example, ChatGPT, write a short thank you message to send to a client after completing a handyman job, politely asking them to leave a Google review if they were happy with the service. Step 13. Use AI for ongoing business growth. As your business grows, AI can assist in financial tracking, client management, and business expansion ideas. Tools like Notion with AI features or ChatGPT can help brainstorm upselling strategies or new services. You can prompt, ChatGPT, suggest additional handyman services I can offer during slow months or ways to increase revenue without hiring more staff. Conclusion. Starting a handyman business is more approachable than ever thanks to free AI tools that assist with planning, branding, marketing, and customer communication. These digital helpers not only save time, but also allow you to present a polished and professional image from day one. By leveraging ChatGPT for writing tasks, Canva for design, and Wix or WordPress for website creation, you can build a strong foundation for your business with minimal cost. With dedication, smart use of AI, and consistent customer service, your handyman business can thrive in any community. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.